Going to explain how to remove duplicate columns in Excel. This is a common task, and thankfully, there are several ways to accomplish it, ranging from simple manual methods to using more advanced features. First, let's cover identifying duplicate columns. 1. Carefully examine your spreadsheet visually. Look for columns containing identical data. This works best for smaller data sets or when the duplicates are obvious. 2. Use Excel's sorting capabilities. Sort your data by each column individually. If columns are identical, the sorted data will be the same. This is a more efficient way than visual inspection for larger datasets. Use conditional formatting to highlight duplicates. Select all your columns, then go to Home Conditional Formatting, highlight Cells Rules, Duplicate Values. This visually highlights any cells with identical values across different columns, allowing for easier identification of duplicate columns. Now, let's look at the removal process. 4. Manual deletion. Once you've identified duplicate columns, simply select the column header of the duplicate and delete it. This is the simplest method, but can be tedious for numerous duplicates. Remember to save your work frequently. Using Power Query, get and transform data. This is ideal for larger and more complex spreadsheets. Go to the Data tab and select from Table Range. This opens Power Query Editor. Here, you can use the Remove Duplicates feature under the Transform tab. Select all columns, and it will let you remove duplicate columns based on the data within them. Power Query is far more efficient than manual deletion, especially with lots of data and potential for human error. Using VBA, Visual Basic for Applications. For ultimate control and automation, especially if you frequently need to remove duplicates, VBA is powerful. This requires programming knowledge, but macros can be written to automatically identify and remove duplicate columns based on specific criteria or even user input. You'd record a macro performing the manual deletion steps to generate a starting point. Remember to search online for VBA examples specifically tailored for this task. You can adapt and modify them to your needs. There you have it, several methods to efficiently remove duplicate columns in your Excel spreadsheets. Choose the method that suits your comfort level and the complexity of your data. Remember to always back up your data before making any significant changes.